we want to urge those who are managing, especially our education sector, to root out all the confusion we have seen in the media. Children are confused as to how they were placed in the schools. They have not made choices. Many parents are asking questions. There has been talk about increased school fees, which will affect many poor families. We want to urge the Ministry of Education and managers of our policies to ensure that Kenyans are not going to be affected in this new year. We also want to urge those who are in the health sector to make sure that SHA is not just a story, but it works for every Kenyan, and it is accessible by every Kenyan. For the government, we urge that they create an enabling environment by creating markets for our products and increase our ability to industrialize so that our young people can have meaningful jobs and are able to participate in the economy of our nation.